Good day, employers. I'm Genevieve Baliguas, 29 years old, single, from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Philippines. I'm the youngest in the family. I have 3 brothers and 1 sister. My highest educational attainment is college graduate with a Bachelor of Science in Office Administration. I've worked here in the Philippines for 2 years. I serve 4 members of the family, a couple and a twin. My duties are taking care of the children, doing laundry, washing the dishes, cooking, ironing clothes, and marketing. I like to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn money to help my niece with her studies financially and to save for my future. And to my future employer, please hire me because I am loyal, trustworthy, and hardworking woman. And I promise to do my duties and responsibilities. Thank you. Looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.